So what I'm going to work with you today is I'm going to show you how to do hands-only CPR. It's very easy and it can save a life. So what you want to do is recognize that somebody is down. Either you saw them go down or they just went down. You're going to go ahead and tap and shout, see if they are responding. If they're not responding, you call 911 or you yell and have somebody else call 911. We want to get them into the chain of survival because we're not advanced care, we're just going to pump the blood for them. So they're not responding, they're not breathing. I need to start CPR. So once you recognize that you need to do compressions, hands only for them, you're going to go ahead, if you can, find the xiphoid. It's a little notch right there where the ribs come together. You don't want to be on it. I'm just locating it. Go 2 fingers above it, and then the heel of your hand, heel your other hand, interlace your fingers. And you want to be on the breastbone, and you're going to push down 2 inches and allow it to come back up 2 inches. So the song from the Bee Gees, Staying Alive, is a very good beat to keep when you're pumping the blood for them, when you're doing compressions. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive. I would continue doing compressions, hands only CPR, and when the AED arrives, then I'm going to need to either ask them if they can start it or they can take over compressions. If not, I'm going to stop doing compressions because I want to get the AED on. So the first thing you want to do is turn it on. There's 1 button to turn on. Some of them are lifting the lid, but this one happens to be a 1 button. And then following the pads and the directions, I'm going to go ahead and put the pads on. This one says right upper. I'm going to find the collarbone, place the pad, left lower, just like the pad shows you. Do this, and then I'm going to plug it in.
Apply pads, plug in connector.
Okay?
Analyzing.
So when it says analyzing, do not touch.
Do not touch the patient.
Because this is a computer that is analyzing this person.
Shock advised.
He needs a shock. I'm going to start clearing people to make sure no one gets injured. That means me too.
Deliver shock
So
now.
I'm clear, you're
Press
clear, we're
the
all
orange
clear.
button now.
Clear.
Shock delivered.
And then I'm going to go ahead and start compressions.
Begin CPR.
So after the shock is given, start doing compressions as soon as possible because we want to limit interruptions. And you keep on going until either somebody comes to help or it has a 2-minute timer. It'll tell you when to stop again and it will analyze because it's analyzing this person.